gonna put the camera on, babe. I gotta groom myself a little bit. We liked it so much, had to come back a second time. Tight. How you doing? Okay. Take that for yourself, bro. Thank you, really.
David and Winnie.
Yes. Oliver.
How you doing, guys?
I'm doing good, my friend. I'm doing good. Thank you.
Is your first time here?
Second time. We were here last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
Which day?
End of April. Yes, between end of April.
I wasn't here.
I don't give a shit. Yes! Holy shit! Renee, they didn't buzz you yet, Renee. Come on. Wait, I'm sorry, babe. Say that again. Are you saying you like my glasses, babe? Love bug, I'm always ready, especially when I'm with you.
Love you. Are you gonna put ham in it?
No. We compliment each other, babe.
That's all he does is swing.
I can do that. Want me to sign you up?
Yeah, cool. As long as I have a socket.